I can see automation helping foam and mattress manufacturers in some major ways. The biggest one is quality, but also in productivity. The operator errors and things like that are all taken out of the mix when you can automate this piece of it. But as soon as you talk about lamination, you really have to talk about trim, because when you automate lamination, you're trimming afterwards, so you can take off those little overages and things like that. And there's a huge quality piece of that, because operators are no longer being expected to layer each piece right on top of one another. You're automatically putting it on, trimming it after, it always lines up perfectly. So when you look at those three elements, particularly the lamination and the trim, they're really tied together in what they can do for your line.
Part of the automatic lamination system includes the laminator, so the LCN 1000 and the LCN 1500, the saws, which trim this mattress to size, and the destackers. The considerations that were taken into account when designing this line were efficiency, meeting customer approvals and specs, cycle times, so making sure that we can produce mattresses fast enough. That's how we design our schematics. The unique features of the destackers would probably be the pick heads, which can pick foam ranging anywhere from a ½ inch thick to 4 or 5 inches thick. The LCN 1500 will take any foam, square it, and lay it down on top of another piece of foam within about a ½ inch of tolerance. And the trim saws can cut within a 1/16 inch of square and within a 1/4 inch tolerance on side to side. The benefits of having all these features would be increasing efficiency and quality of the final product and taking manual labor out of the line.
When we were designing this system, I think there's little things that we were looking for from the customer, like building layouts and things like that, that were just physical constraints that we had to build around. But the main thing we really wanted to grasp from them was what was their end goal from a sales standpoint, from a market standpoint, what kind of orders were they chasing after, what types of companies were they looking to work with. And then based off of our knowledge of the industry, we were able to take that back and design a system that could handle those same aspects of what they were trying to hit. It all comes down to what's their end goal and how are we going to get there.
I'm most proud of the fact that our team, C3, came together as a whole and we're able to design a system that requires only 7 people to run it and can produce about 1,200 mattresses a day.